Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review of a special bat of a special batsman that appeared in this edition of IPL 2021. Now he missed the previous edition of IPL due to a personal reason, but again this year he appeared and his reappearance on the first day for Chennai Super Kings resulted in him scoring an beautifully crafted half century, and I'm talking about the elegant batsman, the number 3 batsman of Chennai Super Kings, Suresh Raina. And the play edition bat that we're going to be reviewing today is the SG Sunny Tunny Suresh Raina play edition bat. Well, to talk about it, this is a lovely bat with respect to the weight that it is currently in and the specs that it offers. It's basically unbelievable to say the least. Raina 3 being inscribed on the edge of this particular bat, having a lovely flowing profile, having the middle position swelled at the mid position in my opinion, but there is indeed some purchase or some punch that is there at the mid-low position as well. Well, to match the Chennai Super Kings color combination, SG has been kind enough for Suresh Raina actually, to give the yellow and the black combination at the front and the back of the bat, with the splice being in the black color and the lovely orange sticker, which is his color favorite and also his captain's color favorite. Well, again guys, it's a very beautiful looking bat. If you take the grain structure, we are looking at beautiful equally spaced grain structure, and count number of grains, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 grains on this one. A few marks here and there, but it does not affecting the performance at all, which you would see very shortly. Again, coming to the profile guys, the spec wise we're looking at 41 mm on the edge and a 63 mm on the spine and a 28 mm on the toe, and there is absolutely no wood taken out on this particular bat. And if you see, the grains are nicely running parallel through the toe. Again, quality of a good cricket bat. The handle surprisingly is basically it's thicker than the other SG play edition bats that we have. Basically it's of the medium thickness and having the rippled grip throughout the length of the handle, but it is rounder shape. It's not semi oval or anything, it's a rounder shape, and it has 3 cork inserts in the handle, and it's a typical SG style handle, I would say, and it's very beautiful crafted bat. You heard the specs from me. Now the surprising part is the weight on this one. The weight on this particular bat is only 2.8.2 on the scales. Yes guys, you heard me right, it's just 2.8.2. 41 mm on the edge, 63 mm on the spine, and a 28 mm chunky toe, and still it's 2.8. How it picks up, let's check it out. It's a superbly balanced bat guys. If you see that the middle position is slightly higher, and also there is purchase bottom there, which we'll see shortly, but still the balance is more like a 2.7, or I should say 2.7.5. I really want to be critical, otherwise it's a beautifully balanced bat guys. No wonder he can hit those inside out shots that you see on display in IPL when he plays those spinners effortlessly over the extra cover, making room for his lovely shots. Well, this is the weapon of choice that he has as assistance to play those lovely shots, right? So without further ado, let's check out the ping now, and we will be starting off with the mallet response, and then we'll be heading on with the brand new cricket ball to check the ping on this particular bat. This is the mallet guys, so we'll start off from the toe as usual, work our way towards the stickers, and let's see where the performance actually subsides. So nothing in the toe as usual, but you see it already started to pick off from here. As I said, there is some purchase, some performance at the lower part of the bat as well, and it just starts to go bonkers from that point, and just keeps on going, which we will see shortly. It's actually rebounding really well, to be honest. See, it's nothing here, so basically we're looking at from here till here, right? This is a brand new cricket ball guys. Let's check out the ping with this one. Wow. I just can't stop pinging the ball. It's so nice on the hands, like, hardly any vibrations in my hand, and it's pinging so nicely well. No wonder, Suresh Raina goes for those lovely shots. Well, to talk about the bow, guys, there is a slight bit of bow, not as exaggerated as any other bats, but this does have a very, very minuscule bow on this one. So we pinged with a brand new cricket ball. The pressing seems to be like almost perfect, like with any SG Play Edition bats. We have been raving about the SG pressing for quite a bit now, and this does not disappoint even the slightest, in my opinion, whereas the pressing is almost picture perfect. But with that said, we would still recommend you taking it, to the nets only post knocking it. We can provide that service to you if you were to buy the bat from us. Well, guys, the retail price of this particular bat is only $549.99. You can reach out to us through any social media platform to avail this bat. If you're new to this channel, guys, please consider subscribing and smash that subscribe button. That was it for this particular video. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.